Yeah, hi, good evening to everyone. Today we can discuss that this one, right? With the Maven related thing, we need to discuss that practical, right? How we need to package and how we need to clean package. We need to explain that package is the related thing, right? Whatever it is, this one, we Maven goals related thing we explained last class, right? Today class, I want to discuss but in the practical, how we can implement them. We have the list of project here, right? Admin server and AP, these are the microservices project is there. So I want to show here, just press on that and run as a Maven good. Okay. Yeah. You're asking goal, right? This one goal. You're asking goal. What is that goal? Clean package. Okay, clean package. I want to enter here. And what does that mean? Is the existing project, it will cleaning and adding new package that is added in the target folder and adding that whatever it is the cleaned package, it will add inside the target folder, right? Run. Just I want to show here running project, right? This one. Get started, the build process is happening. Build process is happening. Just wait 2 minutes. Test cases is executing. Okay. And actual project is running, right? So wait for a few minutes. Let me check. Build process is success. Means build process is success means it is the build is happened. Okay, build is happened. And here this whatever it is, this one existing jar or var. This is the jar, right? This is the jar added here SBMM MS Eureka. Let's check here. Snapshot where SBMS Eureka target / SBMS Eureka server app 0.01 snapshot dot jar. This jar added new jar is added here. Where it is Eureka SBMS. Target inside the target SBMS Eureka. But here not showing target. This one, right? Not showing, but already added that one. Where actually microservices inside the microservices SBMS Eureka server app. This is the SBMS Eureka server app. Inside the Eureka server app, inside the target folder, this one target folder, right? Where is the target folder? Let me check. Target folder added here. But where it is actually? It's the dependency has added. The jar was created and existing jar is added, right? Snapshot version. What is the snapshot? It is the developing project. It's not added, but it here showing, right? This plugin is added inside here and successfully build is completed, right? Build is completed. And I want to show here, okay, how we can configure all those things. Let me check here. I want to run this project as well. Just open and run as remote application. Just wait for me a few minutes. It's running, but why it is not running means you need to again to these two whatever it is two project is dependent. Greet API and gateway API. Greet and welcome API is depending this one. So that's the reason it will fail. I think it will fail, but I don't know whether it is passed or not. Yes, 8761. running now. 8761 is running. 8761 localhost, right? Localhost 8761. Now, this right. Whatever it is, Eureka server is successfully running. And here showing what is the thread and what is the all those things here is showing, right? IP address is this one and status is up, right? Also, we have the registered replicas is available here and unavailable replicas is available here. And go up, and general information is nothing. No instances is available. It is what is showing. No instances is available means nothing is happening. Just I want I am running the existing project. So it is dependent with on the right. So that's the reason open project and run as well both. Just I want to show that something API gateway, not API gateway. Let me check what will happen. Run as a Spring Boot application. Let me check what will happen. Welcome is running and grid also open up. Okay. Both are the running now. Just I want to show that I want to check that here now. What is that? No instances is available. Just check one instance is up. What is that? Here showing availability as well, availability zone 1 and status is up. This is the host.docker.internal welcome API. Just press on that opening. Yes, it isn't open or not. Just empty opened. So otherwise, so I want to check here that welcome API, right? I want to check that resource as port number as well. Let me check here. Port number, what is the port number? 9091, right? Open up localhost 9091. Just press on that. Notebook 9091. Again showing point. Something I don't know. Internally, Docker is taking that one localhost 909 port number. Name of the welcome API. And let me check welcome API also. Already is the another one also I want to check. Create API inside the resource. Open up .yml file. What is the server? Localhost 10,000, right? I don't know why it is not running, but it will show definitely it will show inside the localhost, right? Just check. Yes. 2R is up. 2R is up. Okay. One is the greet API, another welcome API is running. These two instances running means it is everything is fine. And what is the uptime and what is the expiry enabled is true and a renewed thread resolves these many things. Eureka server is perfectly running, right? Perfectly running. I don't know why it is not running. Yes, MariaDB is open. It's different one. Okay. Another thing, 8082, not 8082. Go back. 80. 8082. What happened now? Just localhost 8082. Yes, whatever species means it is taking that one, but it will not run because it will not happen any. I am not binding with any HTTP method. That's the reason I am getting this whiteable error page, right? And another one is Eureka server 83, right? 83, open up, close 83. This also getting whiteable error page because of I am not binding with anything. That's the reason I am getting. You can test with Postman. It will perfect. It will get okay. This is the practical. This is the practical of the Maven project. Okay, this is the practical of the Maven project. And let me check here. If you want to exclusion the Maven, okay, if you want to the exclusion the Maven, this project is just now I am explained, right? Right click the project as a Maven build, right? Enter the Maven goal, like clean package. I am already build process is completed by using this goal. Okay. And what is the exclusion in Maven? If you want to add in the exclusion in the Maven, you can add or unwanted child dependency from the build path you don't want to add, right? So you want to remove the unwanted dependencies from the build path. Okay. Then we need to add the Spring context for example. Okay, we are getting other dependencies as well, like Spring Core and Spring Beans and Spring AOP, these many things. Unnecessary things also it is adding. Okay, so I want to Spring context, but I don't want to Spring AOP in the build path. Then we exclude the Spring AOP from the Spring context, like this. Okay, we can add the dependency tags inside. Inside the dependencies tag, you can add these many things. This the Spring context is fine, right? If the Spring context is added and inside the exclusion tags, you can add again exclusions and exclusion. Inside the exclusion tag, add the Spring AOP dependency. Then it is not adding inside the build path. Okay, then it is not adding build path. If you want to add, don't want to add that Spring Bean, you can add here inside the exclusion tag. Or then you don't want to Spring Core, you can add inside. Like the unwanted thing you don't want to, or if you want to remove those thing dependencies, you can add inside the exclusion tag. That's it. Okay. The multi-mode Maven multi-mode project also is there, right? What is the multi-mode of Maven project? A project contains the so many modules like user module, admin module, reports module, payments module, and the product module. These many things. Okay, these many things models we have. So it is not to recommended to develop the all the module code in the single project. To maintenance will be become very difficult, right? Maintenance will be get the difficult. That is the reason. To simplify the development, we will use the Maven multi-mode concept. Okay. To simplify the development, you can use the Maven multi-mode concept. In Maven multi-mode or module, we will create a project with parent or child relationship. Okay, parent-child relationship we can create. One parent project can have multiple child project, isn't it? And child project are called Maven modules. Child project are called Maven modules. Parent projects have a multiple child project, and child project called we can call them Maven modules. And when we execute Maven goal in the parent project, then it will execute that goal in all of the child project also. Okay, all of the child project also execute the Maven goal. And parent project packages type should be PO or POM only. Okay, if you want to create the multi-mode project, create project Maven project with package type is as a pom, and right click on the project and new and select others. Search for the Maven module and create module. That's it. Okay, like this one, new other Maven module. Yes, this one. Maven module. Next, just module name you will get. That's it. If you given the module name, okay, just search for module and create the module. If you want to create the module, what is that module? For example, user module. That's it. You can add here user module and next finish. That's it. It will automatically create. Okay. And here, after the module got created, check the parent project pom.xml and child project of pom.xml. Both pom.xml they has been added. So they has been added like this one. The parent project to pom.xml like below this one, right? But what one is the module, admin module, and module report module. Two modules are we have created. Okay. And inside the project tab, it will showing that one. Okay. And packaging type pom. Okay. Packaging type pom. That's it. And the child project pom.xml looks like this one. Looks like this one. Version is 0.01 snapshot. Okay. And parent, inside the parent they has added. Okay. Inside the parent is the snapshot is added, right? All the parent tags will come with the child. Okay. This is the child project artifact ID report, isn't it? And right click on the parent project and run as a Maven build. That's it. Enter the goal and execute it. That's it. Okay. That's all about it. And what is the dependency scope in the Maven? The scope is the represented. What is the scope? For example, scope is represent when that dependency should be used by Maven build process. There is a 6 types of scope is there: compile, provided, runtime, test, system, import, these many things. Okay. And here the compile means this is the default scope used if none is specified. The compile dependencies are available in all class paths of the project. Furthermore, those dependencies are propagated to the dependent project. That purpose you can use the compile scope. And provided scope, this is much looks like a compile, but indicate that you expected the JDK or container of provided of the dependencies at the runtime only. Okay, for example, when building a web application for the Java Enterprise Edition, you would be set the dependencies on the servlet API and related to Java EE or APIs to scope of provided because the web container provided those classes only. A dependency with this scope is added to the class path used for the compilation and testing. But there is but not for the runtime class. It is not transitive. Okay, that purpose you can use the provided scope. And runtime, the scope is indicated that the dependency is not required for the compilation, but it is the execution. For execution, Maven include as a dependencies with the scope in the runtime and test class path, but not in the compile class path, right? And test is there and system is there. These many and import, these many things you will add for the scope. Okay, these many things you will use in the Maven scopes. Okay, Maven scopes. Okay, and this what we have learned in the Maven. What is the build tool and why you need to build to use. What is the Maven setup for the Windows OS? And you can give the class path as well. And Maven terminology things we had discussed. What is the standalone application creating using the command prompt and ID, Web application creating use command pub ID also I explained. And Maven pom.xml, what it contain, and how to add dependencies in the pom.xml file. Okay, by using the MVN repository widget, you can visit MVN repository, isn't it? And we had discussed that Maven goal uh, executions in the command prompt and in ID as well. Okay, and then working with remote repositories. What is the remote repository? And what is the repositories for example? What is the local and remote central repositories? And Maven dependencies exclusion. Why you need to use that one? And Maven multi-mode project is there. Maven dependency scopes. These many things covered. Almost all Maven, 100% we covered that Maven related things. We had covered 15 questions. You can learn these 15 questions. You can visit my playlist as a Maven playlist. Then you can use all those. We have these questions to answer all those things in my channel, and you can visit as a Maven dependency as well. Sorry, Maven playlist. Okay. If you enjoy this video, uh, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow and bring more awesome content for you. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update when I updated in the YouTube channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you and thank you for your support. I am now signing up. Thank you. Bye bye.